The new investment in the MBO K80 gives us automation and efficiency like we've never seen before in our print finishing department. My name is Pádraig Kieran's and I'm Managing Director here at Anglo Printers. What makes Anglo Printers different or special is the fact that we're a full service print provider. So there's nothing that we can't do and nothing that we won't do. With over 60 machines here on site, we provide everything from graphic design, digital printing, lithographic printing, both conventional and UV, print finishing, fulfillment and delivery to Ireland and beyond. My dad started the business in 1983 with very little, and now we're very focused on automation, innovation. We have a young management team here. It's third generation family business, and I can see a bright future, an ambitious bright future for this company. At Anglo Printers, we provide print for events that are time sensitive, that are always going to happen, and you have to deliver the print on time. And to do that, you have to have the capital assets. If you don't have the kit, if you don't have the productivity and the efficiency in your kit, you can't do it in the time frame. We wanted to up that in terms of efficiency and speed and quality, and investment in the Aprecia and in the MBO K80 with the Cobot meant that we had really beefed up in terms of our print finishing. It's an amazing piece of technology when you see it going at full flight. Delivery of sections to palletize on each side, allowing the operator to be multifunctioning, to run from one machine to another or back to a guillotine while the press is running, and not having to worry about offloading and pallet placement, so that we were able to provide more of that work in a shorter space of time. To see that level of efficiency in our factory is fantastic, and I'm really excited to see where MBO goes with the next range of products, because they've gone so far and I can see that they're only getting started. The MBO purchase was one part of it, and then we also saw the Aprecia flow line, which is essentially 7 different devices all combined into one guillotining flow line. Completely automated flow line, smart cut technology from pre-press to print finishing, and product just flying out the door. So it's been brilliant investment for us. As we're based here in Ireland, we are an island country on the western periphery of Europe. Support and relationships with our suppliers are absolutely paramount. We have to know that if we have a problem, we have boots on the ground to help us back to production very quickly. Komori give us that. Whether it's a part that's required, whether it's just support, it's an email, it's a call, and it's responded to literally within minutes. And when you have that sort of a relationship with your key supplier, it definitely encourages you to maintain that relationship. While we have 7 categories in our sustainability action plan, there are 3 immediate actions that we are focused on. The biggest project we undertook was solar powered energy. We have 610 solar panels on our roof, which will deliver approximately 30% of our energy this year, clean energy. Solar powered print, that's what we want to achieve. We've reviewed all of our raw material supplies. We've identified the best materials. All of our materials are FSC, PEFC certified. And lastly, we've changed out all our lighting to LED lighting in all our offices and throughout the factory floor. So we're very focused on innovation and efficiency, productivity and sustainability at the heart of everything we do. I think if we can maintain those core principles, it's a very bright future ahead for our team.